Some cars look like a bargain at first glance, but appearances can be deceiving. Behind that sleek exterior or affordable sticker price, hidden costs like high maintenance, pricey parts, insurance headaches, and rapid depreciation can turn a dream ride into a wallet nightmare. Today, we're counting down cars that seem cheap to buy but can cost a fortune to keep on the road, and why knowing the true cost before you buy can save you big. Today, we will talk about top 7 cars that look affordable but are extremely expensive to own. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The hidden costs behind budget-friendly cars. Many cars appear affordable at first glance because of their low sticker price, but their true cost extends far beyond what you pay at the dealership. Buyers are often drawn to low upfront prices without considering insurance, maintenance, fuel, and repair costs. Some vehicles require specialized parts, premium fuel, or frequent servicing that drastically increases annual ownership expenses. Even small, inexpensive cars can develop hidden financial burdens, especially when depreciation, accident repairs, and technological updates are factored in. People often focus solely on monthly payments, thinking they're making a smart financial choice, only to discover that total ownership costs surpass expectations. Understanding total cost of ownership, TCO, is critical before purchasing any car, even one that looks cheap. Affordability in price doesn't always equal affordability in the long run. 2. Mini luxury sedans that break the bank over time. Cars like the BMW 3 Series or Audi A3 often appear affordable in entry-level trims but come with hidden expenses. Insurance premiums for these vehicles are significantly higher than for similar-priced mainstream models. Maintenance and repair costs can be extreme due to specialized parts, complex electronics, and dealership service requirements. Depreciation also hits hard, with these affordable luxury sedans losing 40 to 50% of their value in just 5 years. While monthly payments may seem manageable, the combination of insurance, repairs, and depreciation makes long-term ownership expensive. Buyers who focus only on the low starting price often underestimate how quickly these costs accumulate, leading to financial surprises that can last the lifetime of the car. 3. Compact SUVs with surprising maintenance fees. Small and compact SUVs, such as the Range Rover Evoque or Acura RDX, may appear reasonable to purchase, but their maintenance costs are higher than expected. Frequent service intervals, costly parts, and the need for premium tires or fluids make routine upkeep expensive. Even minor repairs, like brake replacements or suspension adjustments, can run into the hundreds or thousands of dollars. Many drivers choose these SUVs for perceived practicality or luxury, not realizing that regular upkeep will significantly outpace smaller sedans or mainstream competitors. The long-term cost can easily double the apparent affordability, making these models surprisingly expensive despite a modest sticker price. 4. Electric vehicles with unexpected expenses. While many EVs appear cost-effective due to lower fuel expenses and tax incentives, certain models can be surprisingly expensive to own. Brands like Tesla or Lucid may have high repair costs, battery replacement fees, and expensive software upgrades. While electricity is cheaper than gasoline, maintaining advanced EV systems, fixing electronic components, and paying for premium fast-charging networks can add substantial costs over time. Warranty coverage reduces risk temporarily, but once it expires, repairs for battery or electronic components are significantly higher than traditional vehicles. Buyers often underestimate the total ownership cost, assuming lower fuel costs make EVs automatically cheaper, which isn't always the case. 5. Small cars with premium fuel requirements. Some compact cars, such as certain Volkswagen or Mini Cooper models, may seem economical but require premium fuel for optimal performance. Over time, this adds hundreds to thousands of dollars in annual fuel expenses. Additionally, parts like turbochargers, transmissions, and electronics in these vehicles can be costly to repair if problems arise. Cheap-looking cars often carry hidden maintenance costs that surprise owners. What seems like a budget-friendly option initially can end up being one of the more expensive vehicles to maintain when factoring in fuel, repairs, and insurance. 6. Popular sedans with high insurance rates. Certain mid-range sedans, such as Honda Accord Sport or Toyota Camry XSE, may look affordable but carry elevated insurance premiums due to sporty trims, high replacement costs, or performance features. Even though their purchase price is moderate, monthly insurance payments can be hundreds of dollars higher than for base trims. Combined with other ownership costs like tires, brakes, and minor repairs, these vehicles become far more expensive than buyers initially expect. It's a reminder that insurance rates are often overlooked when calculating the affordability of a car. 7. European imports that drain wallets quietly. Vehicles like Volvo, Alfa Romeo, or certain Mercedes-Benz models have moderate entry-level prices but extremely high long-term costs. Imported cars often require specialized service, expensive parts, and high labor costs. Even routine maintenance can surpass $1,000 per year, and unexpected repairs can be financially draining. Depreciation for these cars is also steep due to the cost of replacement parts and limited resale demand. Buyers who focus on the initial price without understanding the total cost of ownership are frequently surprised by how quickly their affordable car becomes a financial burden. The takeaway: look beyond the sticker price. When buying a car, the initial price is just the beginning. Total cost of ownership includes insurance, maintenance, fuel, repairs, and depreciation. Cars that appear cheap may carry hidden expenses that make them expensive in the long run. Before purchasing, research TCO thoroughly, consider reliability and maintenance history, and calculate potential costs over several years. Affordability is more than just monthly payments. It's about how much money you will spend overall to keep the vehicle on the road. By looking past the sticker price, you can make smarter decisions and avoid cars that drain your finances quietly over time. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.